is in its 6th season and premieres tonight. Here to tell us what we can expect, and of course to show us how to make some delicious food is Chef J.J. Hi, Chef J.J. How are you?
Good.
So good to see you.
Good
He
to
brought
see
his
you
leather
too.
cargo pants.
I mean,
He's got lots of things in those pockets. You
I
can't
know
see
I'm
him.
coming to see y'all. I have to come a little stylish,
man.
right?
Cool. Just from
So,
the waist down, though.
Just from the waist down.
tell us about this show. Congrats on all of it.
Oh, thanks. So Just Eats is on Clio TV. We're on our 6th season. Helped launch the network. But what it is, I call it kitchen table talk. There's always a guest that comes on. You cook beside me. We talk about what's going on, and we just have a lot of fun. You know, the best parts about being on TV, but also with food, is that it connects people.
Yeah.
So I might not know you when you come on, but we're best friends when you leave.
That's right.
Like how the first time I came in and hung out with you.
Yeah.
So today I wanted to bring something that we're doing in the season. It's fresh. We're launching in the spring, summertime. Is a collard green kale salad.
Excuse you.
Everything is raw. So Ben, just throw some collard greens in that big bowl right there for me.
Hands?
Yeah, hands are fine. Use your chef hands.
This is my left hand, my chef.
He never washes his hands.
I don't. I just give him a lick.
And then the dressing here is coconut milk. You pour the coconut
whole
milk, the whole thing.
How did you get it to shred like this, though? What did you
It's
use?
called chiffonade.
Chiffonade, a very sharp knife.
Speak naughty.
Pass that back to me, Ben.
Thank you.
I'll come behind you for
trade
some
you
kale.
Kale for the
Yeah.
collard greens.
What JJ doesn't realize is I'm secretly auditioning to be a guest on the show.
Yeah, how do you pick the
got-
guests?
We look for the best people. So, you know, if you saying you want to come on now, a little ginger, cumin seeds,
Cumin.
shallots.
So it is like random people, like just like
Just random
folks.
people. No, this season, I think, you know,
What was that?
a little bit of chipotle.
Fine.
Okay.
A mustard. We've had Dave East on the rapper Dave East this season.
Excuse you.
We've
It
had
smells so good.
a little bit of champagne vinegar for the best
Hey.
people. A little honey for sweetness.
Sure.
I thought these were the name of your guests. So you had a guy named Champagne Vinegar?
There is some guest named Honey.
Honey and
Baby,
Sweetness.
the artist.
Yeah, the boo-boo.
You know?
I like this.
So you whisk that really well. Now, Ben, you see
Put some
that?
stank on it. Come on.
Now this one is really spicy, and this
Yeah.
one has a little bit. If you want the really spicy, pour some of that in there,
Oh my
Ben.
gosh, smell this. So I don't want to pour it on like
Oh my God, it smells
And then
so
you
good.
add in some red beans,
Okay.
Red beans.
right?
Is this a drizzle?
No, coated well.
Really?
You add in some cashews.
Oh, wait, those
What
are
did
not
you-
cashews.
Candy cashews.
Thank you. Those
Some
are the best.
cucumbers.
You know what? Let me just
Oh my
make
God,
sure
this
this
looks
is a
incredible.
shipping charge.
There's a shipping charge. Some cucumbers in there.
Yeah.
Then you have those fancy claws. You can mix them up. And then if you
What are we doing with this?
pour that one on top too.
Yo,
Go ahead.
this dressing,
Pour it on top.
I
Pour
want
it
it.
on
I want to
top.
have its babies.
And this is how
More
it is-
dressing?
And this is exactly how it is when you're watching Just Eat. The people on there are cooking beside me. We're having a great time.
Yeah.
The only thing missing right now is a beautiful cocktail because we always start the show with the cocktail.
What's your favorite cocktail?
Oh, my favorite cocktail, I'm always drinking a little bit of tequila.
Fair.
You know, but I've been juicing watermelons at my house because
nice.
watermelon season's coming in.
Yeah.
And then freezing
That
the
and
watermelon
tequila?
and tequila and
Come
pouring it on top.
on.
And if you want to get really fancy or you want to add some protein, you just chop
chicken
up some
breast.
chicken. Ben, come on, Chef Ben. I'm gonna call you Chef Ben.
Did you spatchcock that chicken just now?
Did I spatchcock it? Look
Is
at
that-
you! Look
I
at
thought,
you!
I thought I saw that
No
happening
idea
in the
what he's
thing.
talking
But no, this
I
is
know.
not a spatchcock chicken. This is
It's
some.
a chicken
this
breast
is
that's
some chicken
just
breast.
seared
You
nice.
like a breast more than a thigh.
No, I'm a thigh guy all
Same.
day, every day.
Then what the hell are you doing here? With
But
the
no,
breast?
but it's okay. We made this breast really juicy.
I know, I
and
don't-
in a
I don't.
salad, I'm not going to use a thigh. I'm going to slide behind you.
Okay.
Look
And
how
you just
fast
put-
he
This
is.
is incredible.
He's a kitchen ninja.
Put some right in here.
Look at, I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you a
man,
good.
oh, man, look
you know,
at
you're a
that.
growing boy. I want you to eat your greens.
My gosh, Ben, that's
That is
enormous.
Look at the
Goodness,
presentation.
Ben.
Presentation's
This for
everything.
you.
Gee.
Look at that. That
That's
is
for you.
amazing.
My husband said to make
I'm
sure I got
making
my
this.
fiber
This is
today.
incredible, dude. I didn't give you a piece of chicken. Hold on, you need
No,
chicken.
they're
Look at all the
appropriate.
chickens on the bottom.
There's chicken.
All the dressing and the chickens on the
You got
bottom.
to tune in. The Just Eats comes out today.
Oh my gosh,
9
this is.
p.m.
I'm making this
on
salad.
Clio TV.
I think I'm in love.
And you see, when you come on, you want
never know
to
what to
cook,
expect.
you want
I'm
to
gonna be
eat,
eating this
and it's simple.
for
It's simple and it's
days.
You're
fresh.
gonna be so regular.
come-
You're gonna thank me.
What about-
Oh my
come on.
gosh.
Wait, I didn't give her
me
any
some,
beans
give me-
either here.
You didn't give her any
Yeah, yeah.
beans?
Oh
Well,
yeah,
okay,
that's
that's
look at
enough.
that.
See,
Look at
that's
that
a good.
presentation.
Here, you want to
That's-
switch?
You
wanna
got a
switch?
little bit of
There we go.
everything.
We can switch. We can switch.
You know,
Before we let you-
I'm worried about you.
This is the size. This is the side salad Ben is eating.
That-
coming
I
from the gym. You know,
love
the
this.
protein, the fiber.
Yes.
Talk
about field trip.
Yes.
Field Trip is my fast casual rice bowl shop. We have one in Harlem, one
Can't
in
wait.
Rockefeller Center, and we're opening one in JFK Airport in June.
Thank you for that.
We're T4 and Delta Terminal. So you
Excellent.
could, if you're going, what I say, you could take a field trip to a field trip. Come
Right.
to JFK Airport, get field
Get
trip,
your-
get field trip,
And then go on your field
then
trip.
go on your field trip to the Atlantis because we have one there as well in Paradise Island. Oh look,
I
put in
mean-
some pepper on top. I didn't say
Nothing's
pepper
coming out.
goes in this salad. Where did that come
Any
from?
pepper?
Just Last
think
Seats
so.
with Chef J.J. premieres tonight on Clio TV. For more info on the show and Field Trip Restaurants, follow him on the gram. He broke that. You're going to have to pay for it. It's coming out of your contract.
Pretty sure I was doing that wrong the entire time.
Chef, thank you so much.
Oh, it was good.
Achoo! Sneezing.